guess what I've discovered today? By simply clicking, you will earn money online today. That's right, you read it correctly. By clicking on ads, you'll be able to earn some money. You will be able to make $1 with a single click. That means you can earn $100 just by clicking 100 times. Check out this proof of payment to ensure that this method is valid. Today, I'll show you the websites as well as the specific methods you must follow for each one. Make sure you stick around till the finish so you don't miss out on anything important. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $50 worth of gift cards in Walmart, Target, and Amazon to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 5,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch until the end to know the exact approach. Now, just before we dive into another tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. Today, we will have 3 sites to talk about. For the first one, please go to LightGBT.com, and this is what your screen should look like. This page will demonstrate the various strategies for making money online that you can use. If you browse down a little, you'll notice that this website recommends PTC and video advertisements as the greatest ways to make money online. As you can see, watching PTC and video advertising earns you 100%. However, the other techniques described above only get you 90%, 80%, and 70%. PTC stands for Paid to Click, by the way. This is exactly what I meant when I stated that clicking can earn you money. Take a look at the payment proof for this website. People from all over the world have received their reimbursements thanks to this website. There's a date, a time, and a precise quantity of money that people from all around the world are receiving. To be clear, if you've earned at least $5 on this site, you can play cash out right now. You can withdraw money in cash or Bitcoin. As a result, the decision of the payment method is entirely yours. If you scroll down below, you'll find a lot of information. But in the meantime, I need you to create a free account on this website so that you may begin making money right immediately. When you come to this website, please click the register button. You'll then be directed to this page, where you'll need to enter your username, email address, and password. Next, you'll notice a section labeled Referrer, but that piece can be ignored. After that, confirm your identity as a human by identifying a simple object like this one. Finally, accept their terms and conditions by clicking the 3 boxes and then click the blue Register button to successfully establish an account. Now, just before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. Now, I want you to comment down below and type in the initial code CLICK to earn as a pre-registration for our $50 gift card giveaways. Remember to watch until the end for you to know the simple instructions on how to fully register and win that exciting gift card giveaways. We'll proceed to the second platform of the day to take a step ahead. Keep in mind that everything you learn here can be applied to the first website I showed you. I'd like you to go to BoxInside.com right now. This one allows you to earn extra money because it states on your screen that you will be paid every 10 seconds. Here's their payment proof to back that up. The date, time, amount, payment method, and flag of those who have been paid on this platform are also visible. This software is quite convenient because you may click, earn, and repeat this process every 10 seconds. As a result, there are no restrictions on how much you can click and repeat. Additionally, you can see that clicking on ads will earn you anything from 50 cents to $2. To learn more about this site, you can notice that they accept a variety of payment methods, including Payza, Gold Money, PayPal, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, Skrill, and others. Furthermore, you may cash out your money for as little as $2, which is wonderful because some websites require minimum earning of $20 or more to cash out. To continue, we'll create a free account on this website. So, in the upper right corner of your screen, click on the Register button. After that, you'll be taken to this page, where you'll need to enter your username, email, currency, payment method, and birth year. Then, to prove that you are human, find objects that match their description. Finally, accept their terms and conditions by clicking this button. And then click Register down below to successfully establish an account once more. After you've successfully created an account, you may begin earning by clicking on the banner advertising located at the bottom of the website. After you've clicked that, stay on the web page you'll be taken to for at least 30 seconds to ensure that your click is valid. To give you a tip right now, you can repeat this process as many times as you want and click as many banners as you like. You can even open them up at the same time to increase your earning possibilities. Keep in mind that in order to earn money, you must leave the banner open for at least 30 seconds. Also, keep in mind that according to the website, the average amount of money you can earn is $1. You can click 100 times and instantly get $100. And that's all there is to it to our second platform. Clicking on video advertising is the final way to get money today. And I'll need you to go to hideout.tv for this strategy. When you first come on their website, you may begin by clicking on video to watch for 30 seconds in order to make money. You will find a large number of videos to view on this platform, which means you can earn indefinitely using this strategy. However, before you can earn money from this website, you must first sign up. I need you to locate and click the sign up button right now on the upper right corner of your screen. After clicking that, you will be redirected to a new page where you must enter your username, email address, and password. After that, click these two boxes, then this one that reads "I'm not a robot." Finally, click the Sign Me Up option to create an account successfully. After you've completed your registration, you may immediately begin watching and earning. However, make sure you choose Hideout videos with advertisements at the beginning because that's how you make money. Watching those ads might reward anything from 50 cents to $2, depending on the length of the ad. So, what exactly are you waiting for? Visit those websites and begin signing up for each one. If you keep an eye on those advertisements, banners, and video ads, you might earn $100 every single day. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now let's proceed with the final instructions on how to be lucky and win the 10 free $50 gift card giveaways. You just need to make sure you're subscribed and are actively leaving a like. You also need to comment down below the unique code that I've given in the middle of every video so I can give rewards to those who I monitored that are always active in each tutorial. The more videos you comment on, the better chance you have at winning as we reach the 5,000 subs celebration. And that's it! Once again, this is Online Money Plug, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.